What's going on, you guys? My name is Eric and welcome back to another video. Today gonna be working on the Z by myself today, but peep this, guys. All white all around. Right now the rear's looking a little high, but that's because it's sitting like that, and the front's looking a little bit more better, but I'm still on stock height. But yeah, guys, all white again. I detailed it, deep detailed it yesterday, last night. Put some wax and everything, so made it look nice. Wheels looking somewhat clean. I don't think I ever told you guys this in a video, but this stripe used to be black, so I changed it. I ordered a new one, changed it to white, and I think white on white looks sick. Wheels looking cool. SoCal Z. I still need to do like little stuff like here and there, but today actually gonna be taking off this part of the wrap right here. So I'm gonna be taking off my wing right now and just gonna take off this wrap right now, and then after that I got this to install. So if you guys don't know what that is, I don't want to take it out right now, but it's basically, here it is, performance plenum. Basically like a ported plenum with my plenum spacer. Hopefully make a little more power. Obviously I gotta tune it, but I'm gonna tune that when I get my other performance part in. But I also got this. I also got this coolant reservoir tank. Yeah, let me try to take it out for you guys. Alright, so I got this little tank right here. I was gonna get the aluminum one with like the color and all that. I thought I got that one, but I guess they sent me this one. So this one's fine. It was just the reservoir tank, nothing big. And so I got that. Let's see, put that away. And then last piece that I'm probably gonna install today is this. The Bell House or Bell Race Works, something like that. I don't know the name, but Bell Diff Brace. It's supposed to go in like that to your diff. It's supposed to eliminate wheel hop and all that. So we're gonna test that out. Boom, guys, and just like that, it is off. Just a couple of screws holding it down. Now it's time to take off this blue ugly wrap. All done. Took it off. Nice and clean. So now, got that out the way. Now let's put this one back. One down, another one to go. Alright, so gonna need this, gonna need this, gonna need this. Oh, might need this. What else? I think that's it. Well, actually, let's put it over here. Alright. And I think that's it. Alright, so now it's time to replace this tank with this one. So this hose right here is actually supposed to go right here, clamp on right here, and I guess this is like an overflow tank or like an overflow style. So is there liquid in here? No, there isn't. I'm tripping. Anyways, so I guess when this overfills, it dumps out right here. I guess that's what it's supposed to be. I don't know. We're gonna try it out. Alright, guys, little update. I'll show you guys later on, but took out my old one. I didn't bolt down the new one because yeah, the design that it was made doesn't really bolt onto anything, so I think I'm gonna have to buy zip ties. But it's all mocked up, everything's good. I'm not working on my plenum or my brace right now because it's freaking hot. I'm sweating. So decided that I was gonna go with my cousin Vinny today, and yeah, I'm gonna go with him today to Harbor Freight. Where I've been needing like new tools and like to organize my tools and all that. So I think I'm gonna buy that. I'm gonna go over there, buy that, let the sun cool down, and then later on tonight I'm gonna work on my car. Oh. Bam. Had to fill up a little bit of E85 before hitting the stores. So what I need to buy first of all is, let me show you guys. You see how my tools are like all scattered, like all my sockets are scattered and all that? Well, I need something to organize all that. I need like a little case. Like I have them, but they're for my toolbox, and yeah, I need that for my toolbox. So I'm gonna buy another one where like you put the sockets and it has like the numbers already on them for like already labeled, just so I could be a little more organized. But yeah, I'm about to go pick up my cousin Vinny right now, and then later on in the vlog, gonna be installing the plenum. So stay tuned. Cop right there. Woo. Oh, another cop over there. Holy damn. I did this at the wrong time. Oh. Alright, think. I don't think they're turning around. Alright, let's go in this street. Alright guys, I'm at my cousin's house. So this is how it's gonna be. So this bracket right here, if I tilt it and drill it to the plastic over here, that line right there is gonna be pinched. So decided to just zip tie it onto that way it won't move. And then the lines I zip tied it right here for it won't be hitting the belt. And there you go. And I like these lines because you could see the coolant, like it's see-through. So we got that out of the way. Next we're gonna do the bell diff brace. Then after that, probably the plenum. So the diff brace is gonna go with, I don't know if you can see it, these two bolts right here, and then it's gonna bolt up to, I think, where is it? Right here, this bolt right here. So it's gonna like hold it for it won't move. And yeah. Alright guys, so we have it installed. Nut right there, and then the two ones right here. My camera's about to die, so if this camera dies, sorry, but yeah, this is the brace. Should be noticeably different. You should notice a lot more of torque, not torque, but like less wheel hop and less like more power delivery to the wheels. So it's supposed to support the diff, it's supposed to support everything, and whew, yeah, I'm tired. So now I think it's time for the plenum, and that's it. Plenum, and that's it. All right guys, so we're pretty much done. The ice cream man just left. Got ourselves something to drink. So what we did was took out the factory plenum, took out this style, we replaced it with the Kenix. I seen some mixed reviews about it, so let's see how it goes. And we also what else did we do? So we did the diff brace, we did the plenum, we did this one, cut it up with zip ties, ran the line all the way, tightened everything down. Hopefully I don't get a vacuum leak like last time. I don't know if you guys remember last time that I got that I was with Jason and Chris, and the first time I went on 85, I had a big old vacuum leak because I didn't tighten it down right. So isn't Kinetics those little things? They're not like Legos, but they're like those sticks in those wheels. Isn't that what it's called? Yeah, I think so.
Kennex. Oh no, Kennex.
Kennex?
K-E-N-E-X, I think.
Oh.
I think that's what it is.
But I know what you're talking about. Alright. Battery's about to die, but let's start it up and let's see if there's a vacuum leak. Nah. There's no vacuum leak. You would have heard it bad. watermelon bomb. Alright guys, so I'm filming with my phone now because my camera died. So, little recap. So it turned on. What was cool is, and it kind of scares me too, is that this intake, since it's like plastic and it's really light, it could crack, right? So when I turned it on, right? I think I might need a tune, and I might go tonight, just to get like a street tune, kind of score it away, because when you like kind of like blimps the throttle, it kind of like bogs, and yeah, so I think it's too much air. I know I'm gonna be running lean, which I don't want to hurt my motor. I'm not gonna do any pulls at all, not until I get tuned. I might go tonight. If my tuner replies back to me, I will go tonight. So what was cool is that, and it kind of scared me, was every time I would hit the throttle, this whole middle piece would like kind of like balloon up, like it was like a little heartbeat. It kind of like ballooned up. It's kind of scary, but it was pretty cool. Kind of scary because this could, like, if I'm like at wide open throttle, this could like literally balloon up so much and expand, and could potentially crack too if it's like too much air, especially if I'm going to be running later on down the night. Oh, I said it. Especially with my other mod coming in, that once that mod comes in, I'll let you guys know, but I can't say it right now. But with my new mod, it's definitely going to be more riskier. But yeah, so I was dripping coolant all this time. I knew about it, but all this time I was dripping little drops here and there, and that's what all this buildup is. And it's because the factory clamp that was right here was like loose and worn out, so it wasn't really like holding it down, so a lot of coolant was leaking. So now I got new tank, new hose, and then clamped it down really tight, and it doesn't do it no more. So that's the good thing. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it on this install. I'm gonna be going to I don't like this noise. Gonna be going to the night swap meet. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically like this little night mall that like a whole bunch of stands outside in a parking lot, and yeah, it's really cool. Me and my cousin are gonna go. They finally opened back up because of all this quarantine stuff, so we're gonna hit that swap meet and then probably call it a night. I'm gonna baby the heck out of this car. I'm not gonna go past like 2,000, maybe 2,000 RPMs. But yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button down below. Join the fam. We're slowly growing so big, if that makes sense. We're slowly growing, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. Love you guys all. I'll see you guys on the next video. And if you guys made it to the end of this video right here, drop a emoji down below, any emoji you want. Yeah, peace out guys.